guys, and welcome to the Review Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can restore a recently deleted Instagram story. So I'm just going to test it out by posting a story. I'm just gonna post this random story, and I'm just going to add it to my story, and I'm just going to select it and wait for it to post more and delete this photo. You'll be able to restore it from settings account recently deleted within 30 days if it was in your archive, or within 24 hours if it wasn't. After that, it will be permanently deleted. Just going to press delete, go to my profile. I'm already there, so just go to your profile, press these three lines, go to settings, and you are going to go to account, go down and go to recently deleted. Now sometimes it doesn't show. It does show up. Your story will be here, but your post will be here. So go to your recently deleted story, click on it, go to more, and here you can restore the story. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!